pleasant day to the happy and smart learners. I'm Dr. Shobha Edward, Principal and Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, here to explain the concept of exempted incomes. Exempted incomes are those incomes on which income tax is not charged. They are exempted from tax. The exemption may be based on the nature of the income, or it may be based on the status of the SSC, or it may be based on the source from which the income is derived. So, the exemption depends on the nature of the income, the status of the SSC, or the source from which the income is derived. For example, agricultural income is exempt from tax. A few incomes that are totally exempt from tax are given below. Agricultural income, fully exempted. Any sum received from a Hindu undivided family, share of income from a partnership firm, interest on government securities of a non-resident, leave travel concession provided by an employer to his Indian citizen employee. So these are few exempt incomes. So these incomes are exempt from income tax either totally or partially. So thank you and have a happy and smart learning. Thank you.